Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on OPPO Pad Air. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store, then in the search on the top right here enter Microsoft Edge. When you can see it right here, click on install. When it's ready, tap on the open and we can begin a setup. So sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later by clicking on sign in later. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And right here to test out the browser itself, we can open a website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.